We are going to make cherry keychain today. We have taken 7 stitches. Now slip stitch. In the second round, we are going to take 14 stitches. We are going to place safety pin here
after completing the round.
Okay. It will help us to recognize where we have ended.
Okay.
Now in the third row we will make 21 stitches. One single and one double. This will be the ratio.
One single and one double. Okay, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Next 1 and next 1 and 2. Okay, fourth round is started.
Because it is a cherry, so it will go in a round shape.
And in this round we will take 14 stitches, 14 crochet, 7, 14, 21 and 14. Okay.
Now slip stitch
and we decrease the. After this round we will take 7 stitches, 7 crochet. Okay, 7 simple crochet. So 2 crochet, 1 stitch, after 2 crochet 1 stitch. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2. One and 2.
Filling our cherry with cotton. After filling the cotton, we are going to make the last row of stitches. Yes, we have completed the stitches. Our cherry is going to be complete.
The slip stitch. Okay. At last, the thread, the wool is okay.
We are going to make another cherry, a second cherry with the same type. We have already made one. For the leaf, we are going to make 10 chains.
Simple stitch. Okay. 1 simple stitch.
We are taking one simple stitch.
Okay. Then 1 half double crochet. Next,
then full double crochet. Our first leaf is completed. Now we are going to start second leaf.
first we make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 chain. Okay, 10 chain. First simple stitch, simple crochet and second half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet, third is full double crochet, double crochet. Okay, next double crochet, 5 to 6 double crochets. Okay, five double crochets, one half double crochet. Okay, and one single crochet. Okay,
now one slip stitch, and our 2 leaves are completed. Now we are attaching the green thread to the cherry. We are making chain so that we attach it with the leaves. Like this we will make a chain. We are attaching the cherry with the leaves.
mid chain. Okay, with the middle point.
Now we are going to make another chain from which we attach the second cherry.
Okay, the size is same.
Now we are attaching the second cherry. We are hiding the thread so that it looks neat. Our cherries are ready. Now we will attach keychain. We have attached the keychain with our cherries. Mashallah, our cherry keychains are looking very beautiful. If you like this, please like and subscribe our channel. Our cherry and watermelon keychain. Our 2 cherries You can also do variations like these.